Hi, welcome to Srinath Sir Physics channel. Next problem. Two pith balls carrying equal charges are separated from a common point by strings of equal length. The equilibrium separation between them is R. Now the strings are rigidly clamped at half of the height. The equilibrium separation between the balls now become ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is the two strings here. There are two strings, two balls rigidly support to this. That is the from here to here the distance is y, and the distance between the two balls is r. When it is clamped to half of the distance, then definitely this distance changes. So this distance remains constant. So what is the new distance ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ alternate angle, so ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲು ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ದೆನ್ the angle between tension and F is 90 plus theta. The angle between tension and mg is 180 minus theta, and angle between F and mg is 90 degree. So three forces are acting at a point, and the three forces are in equilibrium. So therefore apply Lami's theorem. We get T divided by sin 90, T divided by sin 90 is equal to F divided by sin of 180 minus theta is equal to mg divided by sin of 90 plus theta. So consider these two. F divided by sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Mg divided by sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. So cross multiply, we get tan theta is equal to F by mg. Tan theta is equal to F is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square. Distance between the two charges is r. Therefore r square divided by mg. What is tan theta from figure? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is, if this distance is r, then this distance is equal to r by 2. R by 2 divided by y. So r by 2 divided by y is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by r square by mg. Next, similarly, when it is clamped to half of the distance, then the new distance is r dash. So this distance remains constant, and this distance equal to y by 2. So once again apply Lami's theorem. We get T by sin 90 is equal to F by sin of 180 minus theta dash. Call this as theta dash. Then this is equal to theta dash. Mg divided by sin of 90 plus theta dash. F by sin of 180 minus theta dash is sin theta dash. Mg divided by sin 90 plus theta dash is cos theta dash. So cross multiply, we get tan theta dash equal to F by mg. What is tan theta dash? Tan theta dash is r by 2 by y by 2. So r by 2, r dash by 2 divided by y by 2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r dash square by mg. Or r dash divided by 2 get cancels. R dash divided by y equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught x square q square divided by r dash square by mg. Call this as 2. Divide the two equation 1 and 2. Here 1, here is 2. Divide the 2 by 1, we get this one, and simplify. Ultimately we get 2r divided by 2r dash by r equal to r square by r dash square, or 2r dash cube equal to r cube, or r dash equal to 1 by 2 into r cube, or r dash equal to cube root of 2 into r. So answer is fourth option. Answer is the fourth option, r divided by cube root of 2. So this is the answer. Thank you very much.